Hey y'all, quick review. This is the unboxing for Universal Yums. This is the Super Yums box, which, if you know, that means it's the largest one they currently offer. So people that don't know, these are treats that come from you, shipped to your house. They source stuff all over the country. Once a month, they choose an area and they ship it to you. So this one, nice. It's from Indonesia. We're going to unbox this together. Now, the cool thing is every one of these boxes comes with this pamphlet. The cool thing about the pamphlet is it does kind of walk you through, some fun stuff, games, trivia, stuff like that to learn about the country you're getting food from. Some of the stuff actually comes in packaging that has no English writing at all. So you just match up the package to the picture and it tells you exactly what it is you're going to be enjoying. At the very back, you do have nutrition information that's going to be in English, which does make it nice. So, all right, let's get to it. All right, first up, we have some potato chips. Looks like garlic and pepper. They call it rasa balado. Oh, nice. They did take the time. Some of these, you'll notice, have an additional sticker on them where Universal Yums has done it, so that's kind of nice. They're called balado cassava chips. Nice. My guess is that they're going to be pretty spicy because they got the pepper and the garlic, so that should be good. Next up, we've got fried noodle flavor from Chitato. I've actually had these before. They're not great. They're not my favorite, but they're pretty decent. They kind of taste like flavored ramen noodles without obviously frying them or cooking them. It's like a dry ramen noodle with seasoning on it. It has that kind of flavor. Oh, nice. They just recently started doing beverages. This is the first time it's come into a plastic or a cardboard container. Normally it's a can. But I do love jasmine green tea, so this is going to be right up my alley. It's kind of cool. It's wild. Definitely would not get this in the U.S., right? Like a juice box with green tea. We do juice boxes with, apple juice. So, crazy. What is this? All right, I'm going to leave that to the end. I have no clue what that is. They keep changing these up and adding cool things. That's kind of nice. Roasted corn flavor, so maxi corn. I'm sorry. That's funny to me. So they're corn chips. So it's like corn flavored Doritos from Indonesia. All right. Interesting. Always a fan of gummies. Strawberry Kiss, Yuppies. So strawberry flavored gummies. I mean, can't go wrong there, right? Next up, we've got a layer cake with cream filling. My guess is some kind of green tea flavor, like a matcha cake, if I had to guess. Again, I could always refer to the pamphlet, which we'll do real fast, just to kind of check. A vanilla, no, okay, so it's a vanilla cream cake. Nice. Vanilla of the East. Interesting. Cappuccino candy. Ooh, these are really hard, like a caramel, but they're cappuccino and cream. I bet that's going to be amazing. Wow, okay. Real hard candy, #1 in the world. Go Pico. What a fun name. Real coffee, anytime, anywhere. I wonder if there's actual caffeine. That would be even better. Yeah. Maybe. Have to look that up. Oh, wow. A package of seasoning to make Indonesian fried rice. Wow, they're getting more and more. Wow, that's cool. These things have grown so much. Now I've got a product I can cook at home. I've got a drink. Whatever this is, we'll find that out in a minute. Chewy candy. Melon milk. Not so sure that's going to be up my alley, but we'll find out, right? Keep your country clean. Throw it away. Wow. Parago chewy candy. It's kind of like think of a milk-based taffy with melon flavor in the middle. That's probably what that's going to be like. Oh! Cheese choco cookies. Literally got these a few months back at another box from that area. And interesting, it wasn't Indonesia. But these are actually really good. It's kind of hard to believe that chocolate and cheese go together, but they really are good. Yogurt gummies. Okay. Oh, okay, there they are. So just like a basic gummy, right? But I guess they're yogurt based. Melon and peach flavored. Oh wow, those are gonna be tasty. Oh man, these are good. These are actually Italian. Why they're coming... That's weird that this came from Indonesia. Yeah, these are a thin coffee biscuit. Wow, it says made in Indonesia. Weird. I've gotten a package very similar to... Oh, yeah, okay, Italian moment. From Italy. So when we got an Italy box, we got a box of these. That's kind of cool. Man, this keeps on coming. More layer cake. Cheesy Duran. Ooh, that's crunchy. That's like a wafer on the inside. I don't want to... Yep, wafer roll. Very, very delicate. I accidentally just squashed this side, so... cheesy flavored. I'm not sure cheesy sounds tasty, but... we'll find out, won't we? Let's see. Looks like lime, maybe? Chocolate lime. Let's see what flavor profile. Cocoa, choco, coconut wafer with cream filling. Bet it's tasty. Chocolate and banana wafer rolls. Had these before. They're pretty good. Pretty heavy on the imitation banana flavor, but still pretty tasty. And super pineapple cream. Oh, these are going to be tasty. Those look like butter Ritz crackers with cream in the middle. Down on that. Pineapple cream sandwich cookie. That's going to be tasty. All right, well, that's everything. So not a bad haul. Tons of stuff. And man, that's cool. I get to make fried rice. Really excited about this green tea. I know my daughter will be too. She'll probably try to talk me out of it. And let's see what's in this package. My wife just reminded me they started doing movie pairings. And I believe there's supposed to be something in here that tells me the movies that are good with them. Oh, they sent me an email. Okay. I have to check my email. So they sent a movie pairing that they recommend movies from these countries. So this is going to be an Indonesian movie that's going to be good to accompany our Indonesian foods. But let's see what's in this tiny... Oh, okay. It's like, my guess is like a game of jacks. And you've got little pieces. Well, okay, let's check real quick and see if the book, where'd I put it? Put the book. All right, well, we'll check later. But cool, came with a little game. Looks like something like maybe it's going to be some kind of jacks. Something that'd be fun to, bounce a ball and grab a piece. So, anyways, thank you guys for checking it out. Just a real quick scan. Let's see. It's called Bekelset. It's a traditional Indonesian game. One of the most surprising things we learned about Indonesia was that from 1816 to 1941, they were actually part of the Netherlands. I didn't know that. You saw hints of the Dutch influence earlier in the frosted choco cheese crackers, which, man, those are good. But it also comes through in children's games like Bekel. The game was brought over by the Dutch colonists, and it's been a staple of Indonesian childhood ever since. We could explain how to play, but we think it'd be much more sense for you to watch us play around, so scan that QR code. Man, these things are getting so involved. I'm very excited. Anyways, if you've never done Universal Yums and you're thinking about doing it, I would definitely give them a shot. So this came with 16 different items, and that does not include the game. So 16 items plus a game. I don't know, what are they, like $40 a month, $45 a month when you do the yearly? I mean, you can't beat that. This stuff's shipped from the other side of the world. Anyways, thanks for checking it out. Have a good one.